Hey, what's up guys? How is it going? Welcome back to another video. And if you're new to this channel, kindly smash on the subscribe button and turn on the bell icon so anytime I upload a new video you guys will be notified. So here in this video I'm gonna show you how to promote business links and make money on Fiverr platform. And also you can use some other freelancing platform to make money by promoting business links for them. And this business that I'm talking about are kind of like business that doesn't have the time to promote their links by themselves. So instead of that, you'll be the right person to help them promote their business link on social media platform, on website, and on other places where you believe that their business links need to be shared on those platforms. So how can you actually get started with business link sharing, and how can you get a job offering this kind of service on Fiverr platform? That's what I'm going to review to you in this video, and exact what you actually need to do to get started on Fiverr platform and offer this service to make money online. So let's say for instance I search for link sharing on Fiverr platform, and these are the gigs that I was able to see on Fiverr. And you can see there are different kind of prices on these existing gigs, which the first one says that I will share and promote your link on 500,000 Facebook pages, which means that this particular seller will share a business link on the page of 500,000 people or 500,000 fan page. And this one said I'll share your business article link to millions through LinkedIn, Facebook, and some other social media platform. So you can actually do this kind of service as well. And trust me, you don't have to limit yourself to some certain social or website. What you just have to do is that maybe I will promote your business link online, I'll promote your business link across the world, I'll promote your business link on big social media platform, or I'll promote your business link to a large audience online. So these are what people actually want to see, so that they'll be able to know that you are the right person for them to choose and promote their business links for them. So how do you even do that? I'll also share with you how you can actually use Pinterest to do this kind of business promotion. Scrolling down, this will just give you the main idea on how each of these things actually works, and what you actually need to include in your own gig when you are trying to set up an account on Fiverr platform. And trust me, this doesn't matter about the country where you are actually from. You can offer this service anywhere you are in the whole world. And trust me, there is no certain or limit amount of money you can actually make on Fiverr platform. As you can see, this particular seller here is a top rated seller, and she's saying again that I will share your link at my LinkedIn network. So I don't know how large our LinkedIn is, but trust me, people are going to sign up and offer or buy a service because they are really interested in having their business on LinkedIn page. That is just what they actually need. And if you also have a large audience page, or you are kind of like a famous celebrity, so definitely this will be even more easier for you to make money on Fiverr by promoting business link on your social or on your website page. This is just how it's all done. So how can you actually promote a business link using Pinterest or your Instagram page? So literally there are different ways on how you can actually use Pinterest, Instagram, Twitter, Facebook page to promote business. But in this video I'm just going to look into using Pinterest, and you might also have the idea on how you can actually promote a link on Facebook or share a link on Twitter or Instagram page. But in Pinterest it's actually different, and there is no limit of amount of traffic you can actually drive into that your client business. But trust me, it takes a while and a lot of work before you can actually be able to publish a link on Pinterest. But trust me, there are tons of traffic on Pinterest, which you can actually achieve at the end of the day. So I'll be logging into my own Pinterest account so that I'll be able to see what is in there and how things can actually be done. So here is my own Pinterest account, as you can see here. So there are a lot of Pinterest design which people are actually sharing on Pinterest, and definitely they are getting tons of traffic with every post they make on Pinterest.com. So you can see different kind of designs, and there is a backlink to every of these things. So you can see this particular post is say NFT crypto art. So this refer to this particular designer to Fiverr platform. So you can see this is the website. Once anyone click on this link here or on this design here, you'll be redirected. So you can see this is our own website. So which means how to make $2,500 a week with affiliate marketing. So she add a link to the page, to the post, so then she will be redirected to this particular page. So this is our website, and you can see she's gaining tons of traffic with this particular post. So what you just have to do is, I don't know the kind of business which your clients might be into, but let's just say for instance, and as an example, maybe you own an affiliate link just like this link here, then you want to promote your affiliate link. So what you just have to do is maybe your clients own this link. Let's say for instance your clients own this link, and your client wants you to promote his or her affiliate link for her or him. So what you just have to do is just use your own creativity to come to Pinterest.com, set up an account on Pinterest. Then the next thing for you to do is just to make a design like this. Once you make a design like this, then introduce or add a link to our affiliate marketing page to your post. And once you do that, she will be able to get tons of traffic from Pinterest to our page. And these are ideal visitors who are actually interested in affiliate marketing on its own. So you can see this is an organic traffic which you can actually drive into your client link, and you'll be able to make your money. And if the client asks for proof, you'll be able to track every link or impression your post actually get on Pinterest. Let's say for instance, let me check on my own Pinterest account so you'll be able to see what I'm actually talking about. So for instance, I have 18 followers and I have over 1,500 monthly views on my post, and you can see all my posts in here. So you can see this particular one, this is 28 views, this is 8 views, this is 7, and more like that. I share Pinterest design, I make designs, and also I do share my YouTube videos on the platform which is Pinterest, to be able to get tons of traffic to my videos, to my link. And if I actually want to also promote an affiliate link as well, I also use this Pinterest to promote that. So if you want to create a post on Pinterest, just scroll down here to create, then create pin. So you click on create pin, then you'll be able to add your design here, so as well as your pin title, then your pin description. Then here is where you add the destination link, where you want visitor to end up, where you want them to land as a landing page to that particular website or business you actually want them in. So this is just the right way to promote or to share link online and to promote your client's link online and be able to make money using Fiverr or any freelancing marketplace where you believe that your service are actually needed on that particular purpose. So this is all I have for you in this video, and if you have any question regarding this video, kindly drop a comment and I will reply to it as soon as possible. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, as it really means a lot to me. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.